Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Galactus from the Fantastic Four. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Galactus, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that just goes down and up here at an angle. Then we're going to leave some space to do the same thing, down and up, kind of like two check marks. Next, we're going to make this line come down and up with a triangle, and then down and up. We'll make a curve here and a curve here, and just kind of color in around it. Now, underneath here, we're going to go down and then out here. And then same thing here, we're going to go down and then out here. We'll make a little line that's going to go down and up for the nose with a small line down. Next, I'll bring each line down just a little bit. We'll come in a tiny bit, and then we'll just make a curve. We'll go over, up, over, and down with a little line across and a little line here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a long line that's going to come to here, and then we'll make another long line that's going to come up to here. I'm going to bring this line in at an angle, and this one in at an angle. We'll come down and down, and then we're just going to go up and down with a point. We'll make a bump and a bump, and then a curve. We're going to go up here and up here. Angle and angle. Down and down, and then make like a little rectangle to connect. We'll make a curve and a line across. And then we'll make another little line across and kind of a curve above it. Next, we're going to bring this line in and this line in. And then we'll bring this across. And we'll add a little line here. And then we'll put a bump right there. Now, on the sides of this helmet, let's make a skinny rectangle shape on each side. Then let's make a small little rectangle shape down here. Then we're going to go out and then in. And then same thing here, we're going to go out and in. And then we'll take these up. And we'll just kind of repeat that shape. Go out, and then we're going to bring it down and up. We'll do that same thing, kind of come out. We're going to go down and then up. Now, starting here, we're just going to curl this line around. And then just add some lines on here for a little bit of detail. Next, I'm going to bring that same shape right around here, just make it bigger. We'll make a curve in here, and then a curve on each side for some detail. Next, we'll make a skinny line around there, kind of following that same shape. And we're going to make one that's going to go over, kind of curve around to here. Go over and down, and then up and over. Kind of add some lines in here. Next, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to come in, over, and then bring it up. We're going to go down, over, and up, and then kind of repeat that shape. We'll make a little circle shape on each side. Then we'll just kind of make a little curve shape and then make some lines coming down here. Next, we're going to go down and over, and then down and over again for part of the suit. We'll curve a line here, and then curve a line here. And just do kind of the same thing. We'll curve here, and then we'll curve in here. Then we'll circle around here for the leg. We'll make a little bump for the knee. Now we're kind of making this look like it's getting smaller, so that's why everything's kind of getting tinier and it's kind of going down at that angle. We'll curve a line around here for his boot. Then we're going to make a little line like this. Bring this down and in, and then up to here. We're going to curve out, and then bring it up for his foot. We'll put 2 lines down here and then put some lines across. Next, right here, we're just going to make a line here, and then a second line here. We're going to kind of go down and in, and then we're just going to make a small foot so it looks like it's even farther back. Put those 2 lines down with the lines across. Now, we're going to make his hands up here, and his hands are going to be much bigger than the rest of him, so that way it looks like he's kind of like flying at us. So I'm going to start right here at the thumb, and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out like this. And then we're just going to kind of bring this around. We'll make a little line here. And then we'll kind of curve a line here. Put a couple little lines there. Next, we're going to bring this line out for one of the fingers, and we're going to curl it back here. Curve it here and then here. Next, we're going to go out again, kind of do that same thing. Just keep it kind of close. We'll do one more here, keeping it kind of skinny. And then one more right here. I'm going to bring this line down and then connect it to here. Next, right around here, I'm going to make these little kind of curvy, broken lines for part of his glove. I'm going to bring this line to here. We're going to go in and down. And we're going to go in and then bring it to here. We'll curve a line to here and then up. And then we're going to make a curve for his shoulder. And then we'll make a curve down like this. And right here we'll just add some more lines and a curve here for part of the arm. Now over here we're going to make that other really big hand. So starting here, we're going to make a line that's just going to curve around for the front of the thumb. Then we're going to go up and down here. We're going to curve it and bring some lines. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, curve it to here, and then a couple more. Curve this line to here and put a couple more. Repeat that same thing there, and then we'll do one more for like the pinky. I'm going to go down and bring this up, and then curl this to here. Put a curve there and a line there. Bring this down and in. We'll curve it and then bring it around here for that glove. Then we can put a few lines on here for some detail. I'm going to bring this line to here and this line to here. Then I'm going to curve this line up for a shoulder. And then we'll make some more of those little lines there for some detail. I'll put a little line here. And then I'm going to make a line up here and then a line up here just to kind of show where his shoulders are. Then just to finish off something on the helmet, I'm going to bring this line down to here and then this line down to here and then just add a couple more little lines on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Galactus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.